Hey you guys, as you know, I have always loved the Christmas season, and we are super excited because it's very special because we have DJ with us. It's DJ's very first Christmas. He was in my belly last year for Christmas, so it's fun to finally have him here. And we're gonna be talking about the traditions that we had growing up, as well as the new traditions that we're gonna create for our little family and for our little bear. This is the third week celebrating the holidays with Kin, and each show is all about traditions. How festive is that? Make sure you watch the other videos too, and they're all in the playlist description below.
DJ, are you ready? Are you ready? Get comfortable? Okay, get comfy.
Singing was always a part of my holidays. Mostly it was me just singing or somebody asking me to sing for the family. But we did go caroling once, but not like you would typically think. We went around in my Nana's, let me think, what kind of car was it? I can't remember. It was a convertible, but we went around the neighborhood blasting Christmas music and singing at the top of our lungs. So every house heard us singing as opposed to knocking on door to door and caroling for everybody. And then I've sang at church multiple times for like the Christmas services. And I love Christmas music. I've been playing it since, when did I start? I think the first Christmas song I played was September. The Burr months, September, October, November, December. I'm pretty sure that pajamas will probably be what we're gonna be wearing for Christmas. Christmas Eve might be something different. If we go to church or something like that, we might not wear pajamas to church.
If we go to church or have a party or something, we'll get dressed up. But we're not the super dressy type of people.
Yeah, no.
Unless it's a red carpet.
Right, true. But I think this is a good tradition to start, don't you think? These are comfortable.
Yeah, my mom's been trying to get us to start this tradition since I was
We can do it. We can do it though. I'll remember. I'll dress you wear the pajamas. Okay. Go team. Okay, so those were some of the traditions that we had growing up, but now that we're parents and we've got our own little family, we're gonna start some of our own traditions, starting with, like we said, pajamas. Little matching pajamas. So we've got Mama Bear and Papa Bear.
Can I stand you up so we can show them?
You gotta put the book down,
Yeah,
buddy.
put it down for a second. Ready? Show them how big you got. Ready? Up, up. Good job. And we got Baby Bear. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let them know.
What?
Yeah. I think he approves. Yeah.
I'm right here.
Okay.
He really likes his pajamas.
Sit. I think another tradition we should start is books. Oh, look at Mommy got more books for you. Ooh, look how excited he gets. So we love to read to him. I love to read. I've always been a bookworm, and I've been reading to him since he was born. So I think a book every Christmas will be good. I'm sure he'll get books on other holidays too, just throughout the year. But I think a new Christmas book every year would be good.
Do you like this one? Well, look at, you can press this one. Look at this one has, oh, okay. Feel it. See?
A tradition that my mom used to do with us and that she started with all the grandkids was getting an annual ornament. So we're gonna do one as a family. And
Keep it going.
this is our first little
Oh, first Christmas is a family of 3.
first Christmas. Look, these are, you can't put it in your mouth.
Look,
Look, hello, come on.
see the ornament?
Okay, he doesn't care. I think he has it in his.
Oh. Stuck around his fingers.
No ornament for you.
So another tradition growing up that we had that I think would be fun to continue because it's fun for everybody, especially if we have like a party, is to make popcorn balls. It's super easy. It's popcorn and marshmallow. You put them all together and you make popcorn balls, and yay! And then you have them, and they're delicious. They're a fun snack. They're fun to throw at people. Huh? Oh, does that sound
Yeah,
fun?
he's super excited.
Does that sound fun? But we used to make them all the time, and you get really sticky, but it's a lot of fun. So I think it would be fun to continue doing that. Or maybe we'll find something different to make?
We can find something different, but I like popcorn, so I'm down for the popcorn.
I know you love it. Ooh, maybe we can try different flavors. One thing that I think would be a lot of fun, we did a couple times growing up, but leaving out cookies and milk for Santa Claus when he comes and drops off the presents. And I think for DJ would be a lot of fun, huh? You wanna write to Santa?
What you want to write, buddy?
What do we want to say? Okay, dear Santa,
I need lots of books to chew on.
I need lots of
You
books.
can't say I need, you gotta ask.
Yeah, I need,
Oh, okay. Be direct.
please.
Yeah,
I need lots of books, please.
Okay. Better.
And we left you coconut milk because Mrs. Claus
It's dairy-free or something.
Because,
He's not happy about the coconut milk.
yes he is. Because Mrs. Claus said that it was better for your heart.
and Joy love the Thomases. So we have our plate for Santa,
See the cookies,
and
buddy.
here's his milk and his note. You can't have those yet, Poo Poo. But soon, those are for Santa. Yeah, look at this belly. You and Santa got something in common with your little belly.
Another fun tradition that we actually did growing up, but we would love to continue, is opening up a present on Christmas Eve. It's always fun, and it'll help the kids with the one more sleep before Santa comes. So we have, which one? DJ, you want to open up a present? Let's open it, okay?
Look at him.
Go. He already
Go
knows what to
ahead,
do.
bruh.
Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. Open it. What's up?
Okay, that's not what.
Oh
Little boy, that's not what we're about to do.
no! What's that?
I had to-
Oh, look at that! Look what you got. Is that yummy? Look at you holding it. Good job. Boop. Yay!
Your big old hands.
Yay! This is touchdown! Okay, so those are some of the fun traditions that we're gonna start with DJ. Let us know if there are any cute traditions that you guys think of that we could start with him, and also let us know what your family traditions are in the comments below. And as always, please make sure to subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to watch all the other kin videos of the holidays in the playlist below. See you later. Bye.
Where you going? That was him telling them to watch.
Yes, watch.